Welcome back, Mr. Obsolete here. Today we're doing part 4 of Wood Processing 101. Today we're going to be doing kindling. So I've got the kindling cutter, cracker, the different names that they use, splitter. This is something I made out of a piece of junk. A friend of mine had these phony branding irons hooked up to these to hold wood for a fireplace, but he never had a fireplace. So I picked them up and thought I'd use them for something. So I looked at a bunch of different ones of these, commercial ones, and different ideas people had on them, and decided what I would do. So I measured out how much metal I had, and you can see the bases there and stuff so that it would hold up. I took an old axe head that I had laying around. I bought it at a junk store for $2. Put a bar across here and welded it on here. Unfortunately, it's not a very good quality one, and you have to sharpen it a bit, but it's easy to do. And the reason that I have it like this instead of enclosed, number one, it's really easy to file it. Number two, I can use all kinds of different sizes of wood like this, so I can put it on here just a little bit and cut off a nice piece of kindling, and then I can move it in as a chop it down. So I'll show you how it works. The hammer came from a junk sale for $2. A really nice old blacksmith's hammer. Works really good for this. Gives you a really nice piece of kindling. You cut pretty good sized pieces on it too, like this. When you set it on here, it'll actually stay, so you don't actually have to have your hands in the way. Just to steady it a little bit to get it started, give it one whack, and it really works good. Makes a real fast processor. Okay, we're going to just do a quick review. So if you want to see the full process of the wood processing, I recommend watching our 1 through 3 videos. So we'll start with a log, cut it into firewood pieces like this. We'll give you a little quick axe review. This is a Montgomery Ward's, which is probably made by Collins or Kelly True Temper. It's 34 inches long, weighs 4 7/8 pounds. I'll just chop a few pieces to show you what it's like. Balance there. Really nice to have a really high quality axe. It holds an edge because they cut really well. This one's got a fairly wide pull. It's a splitting axe. But I use my double edge axe. I like better for clear wood, but when I need something a little heavier with knots in it, I use this. So we'll see how it goes like this one here. This is fairly tough wood. I don't know what it is, but it's really hard to split. That's why I use a bigger, heavier axe like this to try to get a good cut on it. Wood is really sticky and it's still fairly green. That's part of the problem. You can see how much it sticks in there. Just work it out slowly like that. It's almost through. There we go. But you can see how sticky and strange grain it has here. This way here. That's better. This grain is really tough and it's got a lot of striations and stuff in it. Makes it difficult to cut. It's got knots in it. Plus it's green. Well, that's it for today. See you on the next video.